So this is one of our small office renovation. This originally was a home 100 years ago, and about 20 years ago, it became an office. Got its first renovation, and recently it got a facelift. So let me share a few things that we've done to make it look upgraded. First, we have our reception desk. We got some black darker paint on this portion, kept the original stone, and added some beautiful textured walls. So we have, it's painted, but it's a beautiful texture of golds and other colors. Up here on this side, as you enter, we have a console. This is again from Ariana Home and Furniture. It's a classic home. It has a beautiful stone top, nicely finished metal elements, fun mirror. And this is a great place to have some brochures for anyone that walks into this office. This office serves different businesses, including a Reed Group, our company as well. So we work with them, as well as making sure this is a good space for everyone. Beautiful mirror from another vendor, and you can find this mirror at a Reed Home. We added some fun elements to the ceiling. So we have a fun chandelier. And what we tried to do here is really create that connection between the original history of this building and add something that's more interesting. And of course, we had to have some wallpaper on the ceiling. What a great spot to put it in the entry. So we made a little bit of a change in the way each of the room functions. Instead of being a traditional office, we created these smaller rooms for intimate and smaller meetings. It's great to have to project anything you want to share with the client. Again, this is designed for 3 people. And let's talk about some of the pieces we have here. We have this fun table. It's concrete. We have some rugs. It's a cowhide, and fun chairs from 4 Hands. This is another one of our favorite suppliers, and we do a lot of furniture from them. So what we did is we combined some glossy finishes, textures. Of course, you cannot miss the chandelier. We had to have a wow piece in this room, and to really give some dimensions and depth to this small conference room, we put wallpaper. And we use wallpaper in a lot of our office spaces and also home. So one of our fun things is wallpaper and texturing walls. All right, let's go to our second room. It's going to be, again, a small conference room. It has some similar patterns, but also has some uniqueness. We have a continuation of the same wallpaper. And again, we chose to have similar wallpaper just because of the scale of this office. It's really small, and we want to have something that repeats. It really brings the calmness to the people who are using and going through the space. Up here, what we chose is this gorgeous marble table with fluting, very beautiful, and leather chairs and a cowhide for our rugs. And we cannot forget our chandelier as well. And this one is from another light vendor that we supply. All right, so as we head back here, we have a formal conference room. This is an amazing place for us to bring our clients and for other businesses to have larger meetings. This is where we actually discuss and show clients finishes. We put together materials, enough space to have floor plans, and also we have projector or a TV that we can show floor plans. But let's talk about the design. So in this room, what we did was we had to have some pattern. So we started with our floors. This is a commercial grade carpet tile, a lot of texture, a lot of pattern, and we're keeping that black, white, but we wanted to add something that's new and vibrant. Also, we added these gorgeous chandeliers. So they will ground the table and create another layer of lighting. So it's just not your can lights, but it fills the room even on a gloomy day. Sometimes we have those in Seattle. So even on those days, it makes it much brighter and fun to be in. This office divides, so that's another reason we have 2 chandeliers, but it is a large space. So here we have it. Well, let's also walk you to the bathroom. It's a small powder room, but we have some fun features here as well. Our project wall here, so we chose to go with black finishes. So we have black wallpaper, black half of the wall, and then we have gold ceilings. So this is gold ceilings. The floors were existing. So again, we were working with some of the finishes that we already had inherited in the space to give it a facelift, but without even going over the budget too much. Beautiful mirrors. Again, all of the furniture pieces, mirrors, lighting, vanities, everything comes from a Reed home. This is our vendor. And up here we have another beautiful mirror, light fixtures, and you cannot miss this faucet. This is such a fun faucet. It has a bit of this industrial look, but in combination with the gold elements, it really makes it that sophistication, but really blends with the history of the home. What is the bones of this facility? Up here in this area, we are combining few elements. So we are bringing that history back. Starting with another fun area for printing stations do not need to be boring. They can be actually fun. We have our printer, we have our supplies, and even, you know, an old typewriter, just to add a little bit more of that history to connect with the building. On the other side, the art that is chosen, again, has that blend of old world to really, like, we don't have to fight what the building is, but we can make it fun. So as we move forward here, we have an office, fun wallpaper. Again, wallpaper does magic. Up here, we created a transitional space. So more of that connection for anyone that is using the space. Has a table, and we have our water beverage cabinets here, and kind of a fun attic space. These were original, we did not change them, but we did upgrade the carpet, put some wallpaper. And again, not all renovations need to be everything torn out, but creating that combination of what has history and what can we add on when we design spaces. All right, let's go to our last place, and that is going to be our recording studio. Now, this recording studio we use on occasion, but mostly it was designed for one accord office, and I think you're gonna really enjoy it. So in this space, we created 2 recording spaces. One is that one-on-one connection. Fun has some concrete wall, beautiful leather chairs, glass coffee table, and of course we needed to add some panels. All right, let's talk about this panel. So we used it in one of our projects before as well, and it is a de Chateau product. Amazing product. We also are vendors for their flooring and their wall panels. Backlit, has a lot of fun texture. This could be beautiful entry element. It could be, we can integrate it in a bed frame, a lot of different places we can use it. Beautiful product, and it shows up really well during the recording studio and gives it another layer, another texture. So up here we had to think about lighting, we had to think about textures and how versatile the space can be. Now if we turn around on the other space, we have more of this group recording studio with more people can be at this recording station. And for the backdrop, we have interchangeable panels. So again, thinking about the versatile use of a recording studio, and recording studios are becoming very popular. You want to make beautiful products videos. What a great space to be able to use within the same building. So we really had a lot of fun.